How to quickly create weldments in SolidWorks. Hi, 3D mechanical design. SolidWorks for beginners. To create a welded 3D model in SolidWorks, you can start by using the Weldments feature, which allows you to create a structure using standard profiles. Begin by creating a 3D sketching the basic structure of your model. Then use the Weldment Command Manager toolbar to add structural members to your sketch, defining the profiles. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you like this video.